Dear students, how are you? I am Ms. Fauzia Samreen, your geography instructor, and today we are going to learn about mineral resources of Pakistan as part of Pakistan Studies 2059/2 paper. You will be inshallah appearing for this content in October-November 2026 as well as May-June 2027. Let's start. What are you expected from this chapter? This chapter asks you to identify the main minerals such as limestone, gypsum, and rock salt extraction from the different parts of Pakistan, plus their location of on the map and their uses. Plus, what about other minerals which are found in Pakistan? So you need to identify them and classify them into metallic and non-metallic minerals. How are they extracted? How are they found? And where are they found in Pakistan? What are the different methods that we use to exploit them? What are the problems created during their exploitation? And how can we solve them? You will also understand which minerals are found in abundance and which minerals do we import. So this will be the flow of chapter. Minerals location, identification, processes, differentiation between metallic and non-metallic, effects of mining, and the protection from mining hazards. So let's start. I give you 2 minutes, 1 minute for thinking time and 1 minute for writing about why is mining important and what are the impact on Pakistan economy. So I believe you can note down. You can write the responses in the chat box. Let's start. Let's take responses. Okay, so yes, it is used in making different construction work. What is the raw material? What did you say? Yes, limestone, gypsum. These are used to make cement, which is used in construction industry. Then we have marble. Marble again as a decorative material. Coal, natural gas, crude oil. Yes, these are also used in making electricity. The cement is used in construction of dams, barrages, reservoirs, where water is stored, and water is further used in the irrigation purposes as well. So our agricultural industry is also dependent on the construction of dams and reservoirs now. Good. So let's start. To construct these ideas into a structured answer, let's go through the rest of the chapter. There are multiple natural resources found in Pakistan, and one of them is mineral. Minerals are inorganic natural substances which are found as part of the natural resources of any country. You can see the width of Pakistan, the density, the concentration of minerals shown by different colors in KPK, Gilgit-Baltistan, Balochistan, and some few parts at the border of Punjab and Balochistan as well. Not only these are found in Pakistan in abundance, but we need to understand as general intelligent human beings, why are they formed over there? How have they been formed over there? Why is it different? So it's not part of the syllabus, but as like basic understanding, let's see what type of rocks and minerals are there and how are they formed. So I'll show you a video. Let's see.
Have you ever looked at a rock and wondered how it came to be? The story begins about 4.5 billion years ago, as gas and dust come together to form the rocks that make up our planet. Created from elements forged far off in the galaxy, rocks really are the stuff of stars. And so are we. Rocks, and the minerals they're made of, tell us the story of our planet. Look closely. Atoms are the building blocks of all matter. Combined, atoms form molecules. Minerals are made up of billions of molecules, which are often arranged in crystal structures. Minerals can crystallise from semi-molten rock called magma. When magma cools and solidifies, it forms igneous rocks, one of the 3 main rock types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Granite is an intrusive igneous rock, commonly found on the Earth's continents. It has large crystals because it cools slowly, deep below the Earth's surface. When a volcano erupts, lava cools quickly to form small crystals, creating extrusive igneous rock, like basalt. Basalt makes up much of the ocean floor and also most of the moon. Over time, rocks are broken down by weathering effects like water, wind, heat, or ice. Small fragments, known as sediments, wash into lakes, rivers, and the sea. Here, layers of sediments compact and cement together over millions of years to form sedimentary rocks, like sandstone. Limestone is another kind of sedimentary rock. It can form from the remains of marine organisms or from chemical reactions within sediments. Fossils in limestone are an amazing record of the past, revealing clues to changes of climate and the extinction of life forms throughout the Earth's history. Did you know the ground beneath your feet is constantly moving? The continents and oceanic crust are pushing, pulling, and sliding in a process known as plate tectonics. This heats and squeezes rocks, changing their form. Minerals realign or recrystallize to form metamorphic rocks. Slate, used in roof tiles, and marble are examples of metamorphic rocks originally laid down as shale and limestone. The way rocks and minerals change gives us a guide to their origin. A rock's size and shape and the colour and arrangement of its minerals help geologists distinguish between different types of rocks. Many layers of rocks create a section, like this. With practice, you can read a rock section like the pages of a history book that goes back billions of years. Almost.
So now we have understood that how different minerals and rocks are found simultaneously, what are the three types of rocks, and where are they found throughout the world. Now let's come back to Pakistan. Pakistan has a lot of minerals which can be classified into metallic and non-metallic minerals. You can be given a question with a list of minerals, and you have to identify them into non-metallic and metallic minerals. So how would you identify them? Rocks which are very valuable, are tough, shiny. They can change shape without breaking. They can be stretched and compressed without, they are good thermal electrical conductors. They are more reactive with water and acid. So they are called metallic minerals. So examples are iron ore, copper, chromite, gold, silver, and tin. Non-metallic minerals are, though they are economically less valuable, but they are in daily life, they are very useful. Softer, rough, may not shine. They can break away if you want to change their shape. They cannot be stretched or compressed. They are poor thermal electrical conductors, and they are less reactive with water and acid. Examples are rock salt, limestone, coal, natural gas, gypsum, marble, and sulfur. These are some of the pictures, so that you can identify them easily when you see them. Coal, limestone, rock salt, natural gas, gold inside the mines. You can see the mines. Chromite, iron ore. Iron ore is not found in its natural form. It's mixed with other rocks and minerals. Copper is extracted from the open pit mining. There are other gemstones also, ruby, emeralds. In the Gilgit-Baltistan and Balochistan region, emerald stone is a very important mineral which is exported as well from Pakistan. And Pakistan Gemstone Corporation, which was initiated in 1979, is responsible to develop the gemstone sector in Pakistan. Now, how can you identify these minerals? For this, you need to have a blank map of Pakistan, and you locate and label using your textbook. The page number might be different, but check it out in the new edition, which page has a minerals map, and then you locate these: limestone, gypsum, rock salt, marble, chromite, iron ore, coal, natural gas, crude oil, copper, manganese. Okay, coal, natural gas, and crude oil. These are also the maps are available in the chapter Power Resources. You can, for practice purposes, the more you practice, the better you will get at identification of these resources on the map. These are the different types of questions which comes from this chapter. You will be given a picture with some clues to fill in the blanks, fill in the boxes, measure the depth of the mine, to identify the type of the extraction, and then type of coal or type of any mineral and their uses. So we'll solve these questions at the end of the topic, inshallah. So what are the different types of mining? What are the methods? The classification, the broader classification is that we can do surface mining for the minerals which are closer to the crust, which are like just being hidden under the layer of the softer rock surface that we walk on. Underground mining is a like where the minerals are very deep inside. So surface mining can be subclassified into open cast mining and hand panning, whereas underground mining is classified into adit, shaft, and drilling or pumping. So different methods are used to extract different types of minerals. We will stop over here, and in the next lesson, inshallah, we will complete and we will see how these methods are being operated in different parts of Pakistan and what are their impacts. So see you in the next video.